Hi, I'm Yogita Bhakshandani, Google Certified Trainer. In this short video, I will show you how to use Gemini inside Google Classroom to create and share an interactive lesson in just a few minutes. There are two ways to open Gemini, Google app menu or directly through Google Classroom. I will use Google Classroom today. Once Classroom opens, click Gemini, left hand panel to open the workspace. You will find several tools here. Click lesson plan to select outline a lesson plan. Choose your students' age group, pick a template and you will enter your prompt. I have kept the prompt ready. Click generate. Gemini will create lesson objective instantly. If I am not happy, I can regenerate them or add details to about my class and click generate lesson plan. The complete lesson plan will appear. I can prompt Gemini to edit it further or simply accept it. Next, I want to generate a quiz based on the lesson. I will select generate a quiz and click on generate after giving all the details. The quiz is little complex, so I prompted Gemini to simplify the language for the right age group and to create 9 multiple choice questions. Now the quiz is ready. I can export the quiz to Google Docs or Google Forms. I will choose Google Forms. Google form is ready. Change the title and heading and publish it. I will copy the link and paste it to the Google Classroom assignment. I will click create assignment, paste the link and assign it to my students. A quick tip, always review and adapt AI generated content to suit your class needs and to make sure it's accurate and appropriate. That's it. Thank you for watching.